Hi, Steve Clifford at Sheehy Toyota of Fredericksburg, Virginia. Visit us at sheehytoyotafredericksburg.com. This is going to be a video that I've done before, but I have some very new information for you. And this is about doing the remote start on your new Toyota using the key fob. Any Toyota that has ever had Remote Connect as a subscription will work with remote starting from the key fob for 10 years from date of first use. That's new information. First of all, let me demo how to do it in the first place, because some people have troubles with the cadence on this. Some people go lock, 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 and they just hold it too quick, do it too quickly. But if you hit lock, lock, lock again, and hold it down for several seconds, you get the little flashing lights, and the car starts up. So that's how you do the remote start by key fob. But if you have declined the data consents, it won't work. If you told Toyota that you didn't want them having your driving information, it doesn't function. And that actually turns off what is called the DCM. And what the DCM does is it communicates with Toyota, and it's really off. Well, there's a way to turn it on, and I'm going to show you. Now, I have Mr. Brian Davis, one of our sales associates here, and he's going to show me on his app, and I'm going to use his app to demo this. So the first thing is, if you have owned your car for less than a year, you probably still have some trials left. Hit info, go to subscriptions, and he has everything up and running. But if you see down here and it says enable all trials, that means you never set it up right in the first place. So enable all trials, follow the steps through there. But here's the big one. If you go to this little icon up here, the little person, and then hit account, and then you slide down here to data and privacy portal, and we're going to use his BZ as the example. So last year on October 1st, Toyota sent out a new master data consent, and everybody got it. And if you turned it down, it turned off your DCM. Now he has accepted it, but if you pull yours up and it says declined in this field right here, that's why your remote start stopped working. It stopped working as soon as you decline that data consent. But you can go in and redo it. First accept it, then get in your car, start it up, and let it run for a couple of minutes. And when you do that, you'll hear a little announcement coming from your overhead console. It'll say communication module active. At that point, your remote start will work by key fob, whether or not you have an active Remote Connect subscription. So, and that'll work for 10 years from the date of first use. That's the new information. Any car from 2019 that had Remote Connect, a Remote Connect subscription, will do this. But you have to accept the data consent. If you don't, it will continue not to work with the remote start. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. I'm putting this as a premiere on my channel because this is a big topic in the dealership, and I wanted to make sure that I got all that information out, because this happened and we didn't even know about it. So I'm Steve Clifford, and I hope this has been helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.